As the Council of Governors, we thought that the best thing would be for us to ensure that peace prevails. And that is only possible if we make the two protagonists, that is the Jubilee and the NASA, to come to a round table and sit and talk as brothers and sisters. So, by and large, for the time I've been at the Council of Governors, we have been trying to make it non-partisan, even though we come from Jubilee, from NASA, but we agreed amongst ourselves that for us to propel this country forward, we need to bring peace and harmony in our activities. I want to tell the NASA supporters and the country at large that what we need is peace. We need one another. I don't think the postponement of the swearing-in ceremony is a betrayal in any form. It is not. Yeah, when you get time to sit and talk to your brother and your sister there so that you can look at the best way forward, that one is something that should be encouraged by all and sundry. It should not be condemned as a betrayal. But we cannot continue living in the past. We must be progressive, and that is what we are doing. We are talking so that we chart our future. If we enslave ourselves to the past, then I think we'll be destroying ourselves.